kami ngayon sa Sheraton, Khalidiyah. Yan siya. Pwede kang mag-day pool pass dito. Are you happy? Hi, baby! Yay! Rocco, say hi!
Ito lang yung itsura ng swimming pool dito sa Sheraton. Ayan. View here, the roof deck of Sheraton, and there swimming pool. Naliligo sila ni medyo maliit lang pero masaya dahil malapit sa amin. Ayan, then nakakuha kami ng buy one take one. So sila yung binayaran namin. Naka-budget mo, may 6 na lang. Pero maganda pa rin yan para sa akin.
Rocco, let's go home now, baby. Rocco, let's go home. Let's go home. No. Why? You want to stay here?
Ano? Malalim dito yung swimming pool, 6 feet or 2.3 meter, 03. Dito pambata. So ano siya yun? From 2 feet to going there. 6 feet. Grabe si Rocco, nilalamig ko. Lalamig ka, Rocco? Ha? Cold? Cold? That's it. Ang swimming dito sa Sheraton Hotel Khalidiyah. I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung video and see you next time. Bye!